In a devastating incident, 5 youths lost their lives when a country boat capsized in a waterbody at Simlitola Nayapara Crematorium Ghat in Assam's Goalpara district on Thursday evening. The boat was carrying 10 to 15 passengers, including the deceased, who were returning from a cremation ceremony. The victims have been identified as Manjit Saha, Jeet Malakar, Sujan Malakar, and 2 others who remain untraced, Gaurang Malakar and Uday Sarkar. Eyewitnesses reported that the boat lost control and overturned just before reaching the shore, resulting in the tragic incident.
সূচনা করা 5 জন মানুষ নাও এটা পুরো নাওলে আহাতে ডুব গই 5 জন মানুষ নিহত হয়ে গেছে তার মাঝে 3 জন পাওয়া গেছে আর 2 জন পাওয়া নাই তদন্ত করি আছে এখানে আমি জানো এর বিপদ আমি না তদন্ত করি আছে বিশ্রায় আছে
Local residents immediately launched a search and rescue operation, recovering 3 bodies from the water. However, as of late Thursday evening, neither the National Disaster Response Force nor the State Disaster Response Force had arrived at the scene. The search for the 2 missing individuals, Gaurang Malakar and Uday Sarkar, continues with local volunteers leading the efforts. News Desk, Hub News.
Nara chugumak ansing baljokna skama mabangi jasan.
Chugumak tanang?
Enda ko de kuros kama tungo maina chugumak kuni jainga. Plus F markadong pa ko.
Plus F?
Salantio, anchuni chaani rango. Peena namgani rangko de bang akon watchanga. Jayan anchuni bimang, gisik, porayani, nambate rakani, mandapani, aru gumuk konik nikata. Nang koban.
Ndak plianga chaunan machungja?
Oe, chugumak nangani rang. Unigaman na atta, merong, kari, to, aru dut rangko koros kaingon. Plus F markadong pa ko sa nibo. Maina uno, iron, aru vitamin rangko nangani kriot na. Sungi chane chaoba, magronchi nioba, aru chathoa nioba, mamang dengtangani ko ijawa.
Dentang rekan ko ijora maina sabrans ka injok.
Andiba mengsaw blongen dengtang rekani donga. Anchinian sing baljokaniyo. Nambata chaani rengani chi, nambate jangi thangani. Plus F marka dongpa chaani rangko, daaloni jakhalbo.